Ano yan? Bakit nagtatumbling-tumbling ka na dyan? Ha? What's that? Ha? Binigyan na kita ng food ah. Bakit? Wala, anong ginagawa mo? Manganganak ka na ba? What? Manganganak ka na? Ano? I don't get it. Bakit? Bawal ka dun sa loob. Tay, pinatay niya yung lizard. What? Wala. Cute mo. What are you doing? Is that an exhibition? What? Wala. Bawal ka dyan. Oh, restricted area. What are you doing? Ha? Isang pa-cute. At isang kain ng kain. Yung dog pwede sa loob kasi may sakit siya. Ikaw, hindi ka pwede doon. Ha? Hindi ka pwede doon. It's hot. Oh, yung cute. What? We don't speak same language, baby. Tell me. What? We do not speak same language. Tell me what? Meow, meow, meow lang. Are you really pregnant or just chubby? Ha? Cute naman. Cute naman. Naglalambing. But I cannot understand you. Ba't pinatay mo yung lizard? Ba't naman? Hindi naman threat yung lizard. Bakit pinatay mo? Ba't?